Is flame retardant PCB cleaner more toxic? Today I'm going to test it. The right tools matter. A little experience from repair work. This batch is an eco-friendly PCB cleaner from a certain brand. Self-reported net weight 19.5. Actual measured total weight, 1,870.5 grams. Empty can weight after pouring out, 167 grams. That means the liquid content is about 920.5 grams. The package is labeled as 1,000 grams. This eco-friendly PCB cleaner from a certain brand currently has the smallest shortage in quantity. The eco-friendly packaging from this brand clearly indicates the production date and shelf life. It also claims compliance with the RoHS directive. However, whether it truly complies or not, it is still recommended to ask the seller for a report. The most important thing to pay attention to with PCB cleaners is the main ingredients listed in the MIS-DS, because it usually states which solvents are used, such as alcohols, ketones, or other organic solvents. These directly affect evaporation speed and irritation, as well as the impact on plastic materials. Corrosiveness, simulating actual repair work. On a PCB covered with rosin residue, apply 0.5 milliliter of PCB cleaner. Wipe it with a cleaning swab. The cleaning ability is not particularly strong. Although the rosin can be removed, it needs to soak for a while, then be wiped several times. This is similar to a certain brand. The evaporation rate is acceptable. 0.2 milliliter on the PCB takes about 15 seconds to evaporate naturally. Now let's test harmful gases. Apply 0.5 milliliter of PCB cleaner and wipe the PCB. There is some odor, but it is not very pungent. Monitoring with an air quality detector. The formaldehyde-related volatile reading of this eco-friendly product peaks at 0.2 to 1 milligram per cubic meter. The TVOC peak reaches 2.871 milligrams per cubic meter. I will first show everyone the national standards and their impact on the human body. Take a look. Many people in the comments mention that they feel dizzy and nauseous after using a certain PCB cleaner. In fact, this is because too much of the emitted vapor has been inhaled. Such vapors can be harmful to the human body. Although not everyone reacts the same way, work should be carried out in an open area. Therefore, ventilation is still important. Keep the area ventilated. We have previously tested 3 common evaporative PCB cleaners. Veal brand name, Wyron another brand. Comparing with our previous data, this eco-friendly product from a certain brand falls in the middle range. Therefore, we can clearly tell everyone, flame retardant does not mean more toxic. Many people assume that flame retardant PCB cleaners must be more toxic or have a stronger odor, but that is not necessarily true. Its advantage lies in, we conducted a simple experiment. Light a piece of paper on fire, then apply different PCB cleaners. The packaging of this eco-friendly product says, flame retardant cleaner. After applying it, the flame was extinguished, showing that it does have a flame retardant effect. When other evaporative PCB cleaners were applied, the flames became noticeably larger and burned more intensely. The burning cleaner even dripped onto my hand. Areas on the ground contaminated with cleaner also caught fire. If you are repairing electronics and accidentally encounter sparks, electrical sparks, or if many technicians like to smoke while repairing, this eco-friendly product can greatly reduce the risk of fire. Other PCB cleaners require greater caution around ignition sources. Finally, let's look at the effect on plastic. Place a foam plastic cube, about 1 cubic centimeter in size, into the cleaner. Upon contact, the foam began to dissolve noticeably. This test result, when using these PCB cleaners, is no different from the previous 3 products. Their solvent power is strong. Improper use may cause risks to some plastic components. For example, connector sleeves, protective covers, etc., may soften, deform, or even corrode. Therefore, test on a small area first during repairs. Use it fully only after confirming there is no issue. Final summary. If you especially care about low odor, fewer volatile substances, you can choose products with lower measured values among evaporative cleaners. But if you value safety in actual repair work, especially reducing fire hazards, this eco-friendly flame retardant PCB cleaner is currently a more practical and trustworthy choice. Safety and health always come first. Choosing the right PCB cleaner allows you to repair every circuit board with greater peace of mind.